Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your Salesforce password step by step clearly. To reset your Salesforce password, begin by navigating to the Salesforce login page. Once you're on the login page, locate the Forgot Your Password link. Click on that link to proceed. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Salesforce account. Type your email address into the designated field. After entering your email, click on the Continue button. Salesforce will send you an email with a password reset link. Check your email inbox for the password reset email. If you don't see it, remember to check your spam or junk folder. Once you've found the email, open it and look for the reset password link. Click on that link to be redirected to the password reset page. Here, you'll be asked to enter a new password. Choose a strong password that meets Salesforce's security guidelines. Re-enter your new password in the Confirm Password field. Once both fields are filled, click on the Change Password button. You will receive a confirmation that your password has been successfully changed. Now, return to the Salesforce login page. Enter your email address and your new password. Click the Login button to access your Salesforce account. You are now logged in with your new password. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.